Cozy coupe. Pretty cool. I've got my last name here on the license plate for my kids and some other cool mods, different color eyes, things like that. Anyways, enough of that. Your business wants to do video. I'm going to help you do just that. If you have, $60 to spare, which I'm pretty sure you do, that is more than enough to get you the equipment you need to shoot high quality and professional videos for your business. So first things first, editing and publishing is going to be a whole separate post, but first things first, you need ideas and you need to practice. So anytime you're having a conversation with someone and there's something insightful, there's something they need, there's something they want to know, there's something they ask you about, write it down. Give yourself a giant list of unlimited ideas of videos you can make and topics you can cover and insights you provide and things people thank you for, all great things. That's number one, notebook. Number two, get yourself an awesome telescoping tripod for your phone. What's really cool about this is you can put your phone on it and you can use it like a selfie stick, or you can expand it up really, really, really high. And you have legs on the bottom that pop out to stand it up. So you can, get basically any shot you need to, up close, far away, whole scene. There's also a nice little Bluetooth shutter switch that comes with this. And so that you can start and stop the video or take photos from further away. Yeah. Another tip, when you're using your phone, use the rear camera. The quality is just so much better. So now we've got, tripod down, we've got ideas down. Let's talk about audio quality. All you need is a basic pair of AirPods or earbuds with a mic, or you can get a wireless little mic that you can clip onto you, and then the other piece clips into the bottom of your phone. And you can clip this onto you and have amazing noise canceling and audio quality, or you can talk right into it from a little distance and have it as a prop. So last, lighting. This makes a huge difference, especially when you're inside shooting. Today's kind of a dreary day, so I might be able to show you a difference even here outside. This is a light and it has a clip on it. You can clip it right onto your computer or onto the top of your phone. And it is rechargeable and has just a lot of brightness. Check that out. So I'm going to come up close so you can see me. So here's with light and without light, and with light and without light. It really helps smooth you out and make the shot higher quality, especially when you're indoors. Make sure you have a light if you need it. So those are the essential things you need to get started. Let me know if you have any questions. I will tag and talk about what products I just showed you in the comments of this post.